everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy Wednesday out there to everybody watching today. I'm so excited to film this. I can barely contain myself. I am going to try out the Hot Tools One Step Pro Blowout Styler. This guy right here. I did just get this at Ulta, so I'm going to wet my hair and we're going to see if this really works. Okay, before we go to the bathroom to kind of do this, just so that I have like my normal space to do my hair, because I don't know. I want to say this is second day hair. It is not dry, or it is not wet. I did just get this. It is by water spray. This guy on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description box. It's a continuous air water spray. I've always wanted one, so I got one. I was gonna get this for my birthday, and then Ulta's having their hair event, so I want to hurry up to do this video in case it is just a week thing, so you guys will still be able to grab it if it's something that you're interested in. I did get the gold version. They have a different one. I think it's a steel version of this one. Anyways, I'm super excited about this. And the reason why I have second day hair is so that you can see it is very flat. My hair is very fine. It's semi-thick, give or take. I have health issues, so sometimes my hair is not super thick, but it's full, I guess. But other times it is very thin, sparse. So, did I say that my hair was fine? My hair is fine. Anyways, so I love blowouts with the volume, and my hair just kind of does like what it wants. It's actually kind of cute today. But see here, you can see that it like flips this way. Anyways, I've been wanting one of these because a blow dryer and round brush is kind of tricky. I won't lie. So I'm excited. So I was going to unbox this here and kind of talk about it. Okay, I'm on Ulta's website here, and this is the Hot Tools 24K Gold Charcoal Infused One Step Blowout. It is it retails for $74.99. And it is on sale for $56.24, and you can still use the coupon. They have a 20% coupon. Let me see how long the coupon is for. The coupon is good until the 26th. I'm not sure how long the sale is because they have their big hair event going. So you can save an extra 20% off of the $50. So I got mine. Okay, you do get a little pamphlet here like you do with most tools. There's a cool tip, an airflow vents, bristles, Vortex bristles with Refresh 3 charcoal, multiple heat settings, and air inlets. For the styling tips in here, it does say for faster results, towel dry hair to remove excess water, then run a comb through damp hair to detangle for best results. Plug the appliance into an electrical outlet and adjust the switch to the selected setting. Use the low setting on fine or thin hair and high setting on thick and coarse hair. Use the cool setting to lock in the style. Separate hair into manageable sections. For smooth blowouts, place the dryer close to the roots and brush down towards the ends. The mixed nylon pin with rounded tips quickly detangle, while tuft bristles will, with bore technology, gently grip the hair and to smooth and promote shine. For voluminous blowouts, place the dryer under the hair close to the roots and roll towards the ends. For extra lift at the roots, hold the dryer for about 2 to 3 seconds under the roots. To curl the ends in, place the dryer under the ends and hold for 2 or 3 seconds before rotating inward. To curl the ends out, place the dryer over the ends and hold for 2 to 3 seconds before rotating outward. Repeat on the remaining sections until the hair has been dried into luxurious, voluminous styles. When drying is complete, wait for the dryer to cool before storing. Do not wrap the cord around the dryer. Okay, so this guy is a beast. It's very big, but I do really love the look of it. I feel like it's very, very nice looking, I guess. I'm not mad at it. The settings are here. Okay, the whole thing down here rotates. I actually really like that it's not where I hold it, so I'm not going to be accidentally bumping into it. You do get the standard cord. The only thing I will say is it just has these black twist ties. I wish it had the Velcro to store it nicer. My curling irons have these really nice Velcro things, so I'll probably figure something to attach that. But let's go get our hair wet and see how we can style it. Okay, so really quick, I have this guy right here. The plastic on this is really hard, which I really like. It's not like super squeezy, and I don't think it's gonna really break. I mean, it might if you really drop it. But I really actually like the spray on this. I just think that's the coolest thing ever. I've wanted one of these for so long, and I actually don't have a water bottle, so I thought, what better time than to get this one. I think it was $10. I think it was around the $10 mark. I will definitely leave the link down in the description box in case you've always wanted one, but it is a 5 ounce. So it will, I mean, it's just for my hair, so they did have other colors, but it's not hard to use. Just making sure that my hair is decently wet. But this will, I'm super excited. Anytime I plan on doing any kind of heat while my hair is wet, I always use something, and lately I've been using this Blowout All-in-One Coconut Infusion Multi-Benefit Spray. This stuff has really helped my scalp, but it really does, I feel like, give me a little bit of protection without weighing my hair down when I use the blow dryer. I don't use it often, but I mean, I have. Anytime you ever put product in your hair, make sure that you comb it through, otherwise it kind of gunks up in a spot, then you get goobers. And then I just kind of bounce my hair back out. How do we want to do this? I guess part my hair like that, kind of, and then up. Okay. And I just have these big claw clips right here that I'm going to be using. Nope. I'm just going to twist this up. So I'm excited for this. Oh, I didn't do before and afters. Sugars. Well, I have the front view of a before anyways, so we'll be able to see that. Okay, it's pretty damp still. Not totally. I don't ever, when I blow dry my hair, I don't ever blow dry it like right from the shower, even just towel drying. I actually like to have, I don't know, it mostly dry, I guess, not too crazy. But anyways, let's see how loud this is. The first setting is cool. Kind of loud. And then that's low. That is where the pamphlet recommends that I have my hair. And then that's high. So high is pretty high. But let's go in here. Okay, it's getting warm, so I'm so nervous. Can you tell? You do get a pretty decent cord. So let's do this. I definitely want volume. I mean, that is why I got a machine like this. It's just, this is almost awkward. I'm so used to trying to do this with two hands. My hand doesn't know what it's supposed to be doing right now. It's not pulling on my hair though at all. I definitely don't feel any kind of pull at my scalp area, but that is some really nice volume, and it's soft. It's really soft. I'm so excited. My hair is kind of not stacked. It's quite layered in the back because I did have it quite short through the summer months, and it's not even pulling at that. It really is just, I mean, it's coming right through my hair really, really nice. I feel warmth on my scalp, but I mean, it's right up there. And it's not burning me at all to hold it there. A lot of times, you know, with a blow dryer, you can kind of get that burn. I'm not getting that, so that's really, really exciting. Okay. I'm really excited to see how long this is going to take. I should have looked at the timer on the thing. I think it was like 16 minutes, maybe. And then, you know, Kelly chats a lot. But it does, I mean, that was a really big chunk, and it is so soft. I mean, if you've ever had a blowout, you know how just, they're so soft, and it's giving me a little bit of body like in the center here. But again, this is a new tool, and I have to play with it, but off the bat, I really, really like this a lot. And it's not pulling, and it's not heating up to the point where it's really uncomfortable on the scalp at all. Okay, so this is like the bottom half of my hair done. It is so soft. It's so like bouncy, and it's, oh, it feels so, so nice. I am impressed. Color me very impressed. I was a little nervous. Like I said, I can do like the round brushing, for volume and stuff on myself. It is tricky. A lot of times I will say that I do get the brush stuck in my head, and I have like warmed it up to the point where it really did hurt with the heat of the blow dryer, and it does, I mean, in your shoulders, it gets heavy. But this is not heavy. I don't find that it's awkward going from one side to the other either. So that's really nice. And I think it really is going to be a learning curve to get the best volume out of it, but off the bat, I mean, this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. And then I just realized that I was just talking while doing that. So hopefully you guys can hear me, and that wasn't just all mumbled. Okay, for the top section right here, I'm going to kind of do it in like where my part is. This is really strange, but if I were to do this really on myself, this is kind of how I do it. I find my part, and then I'm going to blow dry just this section, and then everything else, I want the volume to go kind of backwards. So I will round brush it like to go backwards. If that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. But if you want a lot of volume, typically you overextend. Instead of going straight up, you overextend. I'm hoping that makes sense. That's a lot of volume. Hopefully you can see. I'm going to pull it forward to overextend it so that I get that volume in there. Okay, we're back. You guys, I don't think I've been so in love with my hair in a long time. It definitely has more body. I think I could put some texturizing spray or something in my roots, even like a dry shampoo sometimes I'll do for more lift because my hair is so fine, but it's not as frizzy. I mean, it is almost as if I put a straightener through my hair, and it's soft. It feels very, very healthy. I am prone to breakage because of health issues. So, oh, you guys, I would have paid the full price of $75. Like I said, I was already going to get one for my birthday, which is next month, and it just so happened that it is on sale. So I am really excited about that. Oh, this is so fun. I actually love doing hair videos. In case you didn't know, I used to be a stylist, so I love doing hair videos. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Do you have one of these at home? What do you think about them? I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. But anyways, I really, really love this. It wasn't hard. It didn't pull on my hair, except my top section. It was awkward. It was awkward to pull it forward but twist back, and so I think that was user error. So I'm gonna have to play around with it. I might have to learn to do it this way. But it was fine throughout the rest of it. I mean, I only had 3 sections, one on each side and then one in the back for myself and my hair type. So I mean, it went really fast. It was only I've already done 30 minutes and timed out. So, but I moved and then I chatted and I did the intro like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times. I read the instructions. I think it was only about 10-15 minutes to dry my hair, which I can usually, like if I plan on styling my hair, I will like take my shower, let it air dry, drink my coffee, get the kids on the bus. And then like an hour later typically is when I will get around to actually styling my hair if I am going to use the blow dryer, and it definitely takes longer, and it has never looked this good. Oh, I like it. I do have some frizzies right here, but I mean, they're underneath and they're babies, but like up here is very, very soft. I do have a lot of gray hair, and that does cause frizz too. So there's that. But anyways, let me know what you guys think down below. Did you enjoy this kind of video? Do you like hair videos? Do you want more of them? Do you have this or anything like it? What are your thoughts on them? Do you plan on picking up anything from the hair event? I also got some Hask dry shampoo, so I got some of that, and that's about it. But anyways, I will see everybody in the next video. Bye!